Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Luck Wi-Fi. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically another one of those apps that will let you earn money. So before we get into the review, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. So the link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, we have it opened up here on Google Play. So as you can see, this is what the game looks like, and this is what the homepage looks like. So it has various functions. So there's a lot of games here, so you can shake to earn money and connect to Wi-Fi and earn rewards, which is actually too good to be true since the target audience of apps or companies like this are kids, which are very gullible. So as you can see, you can earn more through PayPal, Visa, and MasterCard, which is highly unlikely. And as you can see, they didn't even have any reviews here on Google Play. So I would advise you not to download this app, guys, with the hopes of making money, since if it did earn you money, people would be already quitting their jobs, and this app would be making headlines. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.